Birds with superpowers? Yes, you heard right. The lyrebird. These are called sonic mimics. These can perfectly mimic almost any kind of sound. Chainsaw sound, camera shutter sound, car alarm sound. The deep divers. Emperor penguins can dive up to 535 meters deep. Yes, deeper than many submarines, and even hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. The time travelers, the alpine swift. These birds can stay in the air for 6 months straight without even touching the ground. They can even eat, drink, and even sleep while flying. The telepathic hunters. Crows can recognize human faces for years and even tell other crows which people are dangerous. A crow funeral is actually a crime scene investigation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Earth Facts channel. Thanks for watching.